Welcome to my channel Saqib Tech. My name is Mohammed Saqib and we are learning Python programming language. So guys, in last lectures we have completed 3 of our data structures. First of them was list, then we have studied about dictionary, and then we have studied and practiced sets. Okay, so today's lecture is about the last data structure of array in Python, that's called tuples. Okay, so today we are going to study tuples, and today's lecture I am also going to share with you a Jupyter notebook trick to how to write this text in the Jupyter notebook for my comments like this. So beautifully you can present anything using, like I gave beautiful headings and all the details in the Jupyter notebook, so I will be sharing that. So let's start learning. So tuple is also a data structure. Okay, it's also a data structure to store more than one variable in the Python language. Okay, so what is the main difference of tuple from other data structure? That tuple is a collection with order. Order means that it can be accessed using index 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, order means that the data set are put in the order. Okay, and the important feature is unchangeable. Okay, do you remember about list? List was also ordered. List was also ordered, but list was changeable. Means when you have written something in list, you can change it. But the difference between Python tuple and list is that list is changeable, but Python tuple is not changeable. Okay, so that's why there is need to use tuple when we need ordered data but unmutable or unchangeable data. So at that place we are being using tuples. So how to write tuple? Tuple is also very easy. Like list we use square bracket. Here we are using round bracket, and between round brackets we are simply adding data. For example, I am creating tuple. Let's run it and print it. You can see a tuple is created with round bracket and data between them. So now let's check about tuple items. What is the tuple items? How can we access them? Tuple items are ordered. We have got it. Okay, ordered means that we can access using indexing. Okay, second thing, they are unchangeable. The main feature of using tuple is unchangeable. They can't be changed once they have been assigned values. And allow duplicates. Okay, like set is not index. Okay, set was not index. Set was not changeable. Also set was not allowing duplicate values, but tuple we can add duplicate values, there is no issue. But the main thing, unchangeable. Okay, tuple item or index we can access using index 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Second thing, they are ordered, they are in ordered, we can access using an order, and order cannot change. Okay, unchangeable, the main feature, unchangeable, we can't change anything in the tuple. Okay, allow duplicates, the another feature, when we want data that's in order but we can't change that data and we don't bother about duplicates, mean we are allowing duplicates, at that place we are using tuple. For example, this is a simple tuple. You can see that I have added apple 2 times, but no issue, it will what do you think if it was set? What it do? Simply it will remove apple. Okay, if it is set, it will remove apple and cherry. Okay, and it will only showing apple, banana, cherry 1 time. But in the tuple, if I am running it, you can see it is printing apple and cherry 2 times, means that it is allowing to add duplicates values in the tuple. Tuple length can be found using length function, simple like we found of the other data types like list. Okay, so how to create tuple with one atom? There is a very important question. Okay, if I want one atom, if I'm writing I want to create a tuple with the only apple, there is a one most important thing you must note is that add comma after that atom. Okay, it doesn't matter that you need to add another atom or not, but when there is a single atom you must add comma before this. Okay, so if you don't add comma like in the below example, it will you write simple like this, it will not be a tuple. Okay, for example, let's check the type of this when I'm adding comma and check the type of this when I'm not adding comma. Let's run it and quickly check it. You can see that first one is tuple, like, but second one is not a tuple, that is str data type. Okay, I hope you got the difference and main thing. Okay, Tuple can also be have any data type. For example, I can create tuple of string, I can create tuple of numbers, I can create tuples of boolean data types, and also different data types. I can create tuple of different data types. Okay. The next important thing about tuple is that we can create tuple using tuple constructor, like we have used to create list using list constructor, using set constructor, and also dictionary using dictionary constructor. Similarly, we can create tuple using tuple constructor by putting values inside it, but the important thing to be noted here is that we need to put the values between two round brackets. Okay, double round bracket, that are the noticeable thing. Okay, so I can create tuple also like this. So what is the difference between tuples and list and dictionary? You can see that when we look about list is when we want data to be in order, and also we want data to be changeable, and also duplicates are allowed, mean that all the thing in my favor. I want data in order, I want to change that data, and I also want duplicate value. In that case I will be using list. Okay, this is the very important concept, please listen to it carefully. And when to use tuple? We use tuple when we want ordered data, but unchangeable data. Okay, ordered data but unchangeable data, and also we want duplicate data. So in that case we can't use list because list is changeable. Okay, so at that case I will be using tuple. So the third case is set is collection which is unordered. When we want data unordered, we don't want any order, and unchangeable, we don't want any change in data. Okay, and unindexed, and also there is no index of data, there is no order, we can't. And the third is no duplicate member. For example, I want data in no order, I want data to not be changed, and I don't want duplicate value. In that case I will be using set. Set will be the only and best data structure in this scenario. So last one is a collection which is ordered. When we want ordered, changeable, and no duplicate. Okay, this is the fourth case, when data is ordered and changeable but duplicates are not allowed. In that case I will be using dictionary. Okay, I hope you have got idea about this. So in this lecture we are going to check how to access tuple. Okay, we have created tuple. The question is that how to access the values of tuple. So there is a different method. I will be sharing with you three methods using indexing, means positive indexing, negative indexing, and using range. For example, I have a tuple. For example, I am taking this example. Okay, I am taking this example, I am writing this tuple. I want to print data using positive indexing. I will write print, I will write x, tuple name is x. Okay, and between that index operator I will write, this is index operator, this square brackets. Okay, I will be write any positive index, but there is only 3, 0, 1, 2. Okay, I can write 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, if I write 1, it will be printing banana. The same thing if I want to get using negative indexing. I have told you the negative indexing always start from right side. For example, add cherry is -1, banana is -2, and apple is -3, and if anything else it will be -4, and so on. So if I want to get the value of banana, I will write cherry is -1, banana -2. So if I want to print banana, I will write -2. So let's print it, and you can see it's banana. If I write -3, it will be printing apple. If I am writing -4, you can see that -4 is no, it must give me the error index out of bound. So you can say index error because I don't have values. Okay, so right now I am writing 0, you can get the value of apple. So positive indexing and negative indexing must be clear to you. Third one is using range. Range is the operator, index operator, to get more than one values or range of values between. For example, I want to get value of only banana and cherry. I will write print x. You know how to give range using colon operator. Okay, I want to start from 0 and I want to go to the 2. Okay, if I am printing, you can see it's only printing apple and banana because 0 is the starting index and 2 is the last index, but 2 is not included. Remember, whenever you are doing slicing, okay, using index operator, remember that the starting point is included. Okay, x of 0 is included, x of 1 is included, but x of 2 is not printed because 2 is indicating that before me all are allowed, to me and after me nothing is allowed. Okay, so 2 will be not included in the my set. Okay, in the this tuple the x of 2 will not be printed. Okay, this is indexing, and I also can do negative indexing. Okay, for example, I want to print in reverse order. You know, double colon minus 1 is used to print anything in reverse order if it is a list or a tuple. Okay, so I am doing those. You can see that that is easily printed in the reverse order. Okay, so negative indexing and positive indexing and range operator using slicing, you have got how to access the values of tuples. Okay,